Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the part 2 of Sabhayasachi Inspired Lahenga. As I have already uploaded the video of blouse in part 1, now I'm gonna make the lehenga in part 2. In this video, so let's quickly check out the materials. Here I'm using the remaining 5 meters from the sari and my satin lining, inchi tape, scissors, and here we go. If you haven't seen the part 1, I have mentioned the link in the description. You can check it from there as well. Now here I will fold the sari into thrice and then I will use my pattern for drafting the cullies. So I will place the cully on the one side, then I will twist it and keep it on the another side. In this way I will get 12 cullies in total, then I will cut it off. And one thing more, if you want more ghera and more volume in your lehenga, then you can increase the number of cullies. Now let me sew all the cullies in pairs. After joining all the parts all together, it will turn like a skirt. Then keep one end open from its top so that we can add the zip and the belt later on. Now I'm gonna cut the lining fabric into A-line form, and if you don't know how to cut A-line skirt, then you can watch this video carefully, as I have marked the waistline first from the corner. Then I will start marking the total length from the waistline in a circular format. Then I'll cut it off and I will add the extra fabric on the one end to match with the full length. Now I will place the lining skirt inside the main skirt and join it with the waistline. Then adding the belt and the zip on the one side. After that, let's complete the lehenga by folding the edges using the horsehair to get extra volume. Woohoo! I'm all done with the stitching process. Now you all can see the final outcome and I'm happy to see the final outcome. It turned out so well and hope you all liked it. Then my friend came for the final fit. She loved this outfit and she looks gorgeous in it. But I also want your opinions as well. Do let me know in the comment below that how it turned out and rate it out of 10. Till then, pamper and hydrate yourself. I'll meet you in the another interesting video. See you soon. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.